There is no solution to these two Vastu doshas. If you have them in your house, they will actually bring a lot of negativity, and there is no solution for this. One is an entry on the southwest corner, and second is a bathroom in the northeast corner. If you own a shop, use these Vastu tips to excel in your business. First of all, your shop should always be in a regular shape and it should be very clean. It should be facing the north or the east direction while the entrance, and as the owner also sits, you should sit in the direction of facing the north or the northeast. You should keep the cash box always full with some amount of money, as an empty cash box can give you negative circumstances at work. एक मेजर वास्तु दोष जो हम अपने घर में करते हैं वो है ओपन डस्टबिन रखना. अगर आप ओपन डस्टबिन रखते हैं तो वो बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिविटी स्प्रेड करते हैं. मेक श्योर कि आपके डस्टबिन हमेशा लिड वाले हों. An amazing way of attracting a lot of positivity inside your house is having a beautiful, clean and decorated front door. If you do that, all the positivity will be absorbed in the house. Make sure there are no reflective glasses on your front door. If you are a student and you want to elevate your response in the studies, just try these simple Vastu tips. Number one, make sure that your seating is in the east or the north direction. Make sure when you sit, you are not clinged to the wall. Make sure there is a distance between you and the back wall, and don't keep the wall empty. Just place a painting, a motivational poster, anything on the wall. Thirdly, make sure wherever your study is or your study room, it should not be below a bathroom or a beam. एक मैजिकल टिप बताऊं? रात में जब आप सोते हैं, 1 रुपए का कॉइन लीजिए, अपने तकिए के नीचे रखिए और विश कीजिए कि आपको क्या चाहिए, क्या आपको फुलफिल करना है. सुबह इस कॉइन को आप किसी पुअर को, किसी नीडी को डोनेट कर दें. ऐसा करने से आप ये देखेंगे कि आपका विश विद इन 41 डेज पूरा हो जाता है. 41 डेज तक लगातार करते रहिएगा. एक जिन पे हक हो बस मेरा, Here are some great Vastu tips for your kitchen. Make sure that your kitchen is in the southwest direction of your house. If it is not possible to keep it in the southwest, you should keep your gas stove on the east direction, and make sure that your kitchen and the bathroom wall are not the same. The puja rooms in our houses are the epicenters of major energies. Make sure that your puja room is in the north or the northeast corner of your house. If north and northeast is not feasible, it can be placed in the west. Then make sure whenever you're facing the idols, you face the northeast direction only, and the idols should not be chipped or should not be broken at all. If there are any such idols in your puja room, it is important for you to discard them. क्या आपके घर में delays और परेशानियां एक के बाद एक आती ही रहती हैं? It is important for you to check the clock and the watch placement in your house. घड़ियों को हमेशा नॉर्थ या ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में ही प्लेस करना चाहिए. अगर आप घड़ी को किसी भी विंडो या किसी डोर के ऊपर लगाते हैं, उससे हेल्थ इश्यूज और डिलेज और ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. स्पेसिफिकली मेन डोर के ऊपर कभी घड़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए. हरे रंग की घड़ियां घर में लगाना बहुत ही इनऑस्पिशियस होता है. कभी भी अगर घड़ी बंद हो तो उसको इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है. वॉचेस की जहां तक बात है, वॉचेस को कभी भी स्टोर नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर वो खराब हो चुकी हैं या वो नहीं चलती या आप यूज नहीं करते, उनको निकालना ही सही रहेगा. और उनको अलाइनमेंट में एक ही बॉक्स या एक ही जगह पर रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हाय एवरीबॉडी. A lot of people have been reporting a lot of anxiety, stress, panic attacks over the period of time. Whenever you are feeling anxious or whenever you are feeling ungraded like that, you are suggested to wear gray. Wear gray as much as possible. If you want to wear any upperwear, innerwear or lowers as grays, that can really allow grounding to happen. And when this grounding happens, you can really feel at peace and at ease, and this trigger might just go away. So it is important for you to concentrate on darker shades of black or grays.